Hello everyone, I'm Tejas Patil. I would like to share my experience with respect to booking a slot for COVID vaccination. I will share some tips and tricks which will improve your chances of getting a slot. So let's begin. First, we should understand the process. First, we'll see what is the entire process and then we will try to optimize it. Okay, so whenever we have to book a slot, what we need to do is first we have to log in, go to the corresponding search page, put a pin code or either search by the state and all. Then you will get the list of all centers available over there and you will select the corresponding slot and book it. This entire process generally takes 15 to 20 seconds. But when the actually slot opens up, it takes hardly 7 seconds for you to, it should take hardly 7 seconds to book a slot, because if you miss that, you are not going to get a booking for the corresponding slot. So in 7 seconds you have to complete this entire process. So to optimize it, what we will do is we will try to do few things before and we'll see if we can avoid few things and try to optimize this time. Okay, so login is one thing where we have to log in through a OTP and everything. So that is the one part which takes a handsome amount of time. So we will try to do that in advance. Okay, in advance means what? So every area has a particular time at which the slots open. So what you need to do is you have to first find what is the time for your area. Okay, so how to find that? So there are many Telegram channels which will give you this data. So join the channel for it. So for example, for Thane city, there is one channel which for which details I have given in the description box. The same way for Mumbai and same way for Pune, you have to search for yourself. You can just search on a Google and you will get that. Very important thing from these channels is whenever slots open, those channels notify you for that. So for your pin code, try to go through for 3 to 4 days of data on this channel and see the timing for your area. Okay, so for example, for Thane city, it is morning 9 and evening 5 p.m. Same way for you, there will be some time. So just try to search for it and be ready at that time. So for 9 o'clock, so let's consider that for your area it's 9 o'clock. So for 9 o'clock, you have to log in around 8:55 or 8:56. Once you log in, your login will remain over there for 10 minutes. Once you exit that, you will be automatically log out. Okay, so at 8:55, 8:56, you should be ready with the login. Then enter a pin code and start searching. Okay, second thing is, if you log in through a mobile site, if you log in through a website, then you need to enter a captcha when it comes to the booking. So captcha takes 3 to 4 seconds. Okay, so to avoid that, try to use Arogya Setu app. In Arogya Setu app, you don't have to enter a captcha. Okay, so one step of captcha is removed in our process and login we have done previously. Okay, so now what you have to do is you just have to search for the pin code. Keep searching for the pin code. Keep searching for the centers after entering a pin code. And once the drop down for the centers is available, click on the one of the centers and then book your slot. And also I would like to tell you that always be particular about your center. So don't think that I will select this center or that center like that. Okay, just be particular, because at that time you don't have time to think. Okay, so just be ready and be particular that I am going to book a slot in this center only. Okay, so this is your preparation. For this you have to be ready in advance. Okay, and also don't wait for Telegram app to show you that the slots are ready. Okay, ready on the time, particular time, and just keep on searching for the find centers button. Okay, so keep using that button again and again, and once the center is available, that time only it will be available in the corresponding drop down and you can select it. Okay, and try to use Arogya Setu app only. So just to summarize everything, what you are going to do is, if whatever is your time, try to find the time through Telegram app. If it is morning 9, for example, you will log in 3 to 4 minutes before and you will start searching for it. Okay, and you will try to use Arogya Setu app so that the captcha, you don't have to enter captcha, and you will be very particular about your center. You won't be searching for a center over there. You will be particular about which center you are going for it. Okay, so best of luck, and try to be positive. Take it as a game. Don't try to be in a negative mindset. And one more important thing, that if within those 10 minutes of your login, if your slots are not available, so those doesn't open, so through Telegram app you will be always notified. So if it is notification is not yet arrived on your mobile, then surely just log it out and log in quickly, so that you will be ready for another next 10 minutes. So this is how you can save your login time. All the best, and if you have any suggestions or if you have any doubts, please do mention in the comments. I will try to reply. And if you are able to successfully book your slots, please do mention in the comments too. Thank you.